Oshawa Information Echo. Weather at 1200 Zulu. Wind 020. At tree. Visibility 9 miles. Sky clear. Temperature 7. Dew point 7. Altimeter tree 019. Approach RNAV or visual runway 2 tree. Landing and departing runway 2 tree. Runway 1230 closed. From 120 until 2300 Zulu. Inform ATC that you have information echo.
Welcome everyone. Today's the day that we head back up to Chris's to reinstall the Trio ProPilot autopilot head. I pulled this out a couple of weeks ago and sent it back to Trio. You might remember when we installed the full system on the aircraft, I sat down with you and said, you know, it's not quite fully integrated with Dynon yet. There's a little bit of work to be done with software and firmware. They've now completed it. So I took the head out, sent it back to Trio, and they've sent it back to me. So we're gonna go up to Chris's and reinstall it. Really simple, one wiring harness, and the pitot-static tubes get hooked into the back, goes back into the panel, and then it's just hooking up all of the setting all of the electronics to read and speak to each other. That's going to be the most difficult part, getting the computers to talk the right language. I shouldn't say the right language, picking the right settings so that all of the components are talking to each other. Anyway, let's get in the plane and we'll figure it out when we get to Chris's.
Oshawa Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform holding short 23 on Delta for departure.
Mike Victor Uniform Tower, right turn out, winds variable 2 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Right turn out, clear 23, Mike Victor Uniform. Traffic, Mike Victor Uniform turning face to final, runway 13, full stop, Edenville.
Daily shaver, coupon saver, collect the paper, wander the neighborhood. This is real life, what was all that?
Nothing in an airplane is easy, as much as this is just 4 screws.
Edenville traffic, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform rolling on runway 13, left-hand turnout departing northeast towards Aurelia, Edenville.
Drunken waves came storming in. 5 a.m. you woke me up again. Cause the double's on ice and your friend Diane got you all up in your head again. About a picture on my phone from a girl I used to know. That you're searching flights back home. I'm like, please don't go. Got my heart rate up real high, vocabulary running low. Out of breath I keep going and going. Oh no, if I'm a record then I'm broke. You don't like my song no more. And all I need to know is what more can I say to you, baby? When I'm out of ways you haven't heard of love. Can't make you stay. It's your play. So tell me what more can I say? Be black and blue. Do whatever that you gotta do. Throw the dirty laundry in the street. Chip the critic, now you're blaming me. Got a picture on my phone from a million years ago. Got you searching flights back home. I'm like, please, what more can I say to you, baby? When I'm out of words, you haven't heard. If love can't make you stay, it's your pain. Tell me when I'm supposed to say.
Oshwa Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Oshwa Tower.
Oshwa Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172 with information Juliet, currently abeam the town of Pontypool at 3,500, inbound for landing, last departed Edenville.
Mike Victor Uniform Tower, Squawk 5316, runway 23, cleared straight in approach. Report entering the zone.
5316, straight in approach for 23, report entering the zone, Mike Victor Uniform.
You haven't heard. If love can't make you stay, it's your pain. Tell me when I'm supposed to say, except don't go. Got my heart way up real high. Vocabulary running low. Out of breath, I keep going and going. Oh no, if I'm a record, then I'm old. You don't like my song no more. So tell me what more can I say?
Okay, so this is obviously not me flying the airplane showing you how the autopilot works, and we've obviously had a time jump, as you can see by the mountain of snow and all of the snow around here at the Edenvale Airport. So flying home, I flew home, was getting ready to do the next video where we were going to show you how the Dynon and the autopilot work together. But at the same time, I was editing together our summer trip, and on that trip, Julie asked these two questions.
What's been more popular, your flying around videos or your actual doing the work on the plane videos?
Work on the plane video. Every time there's a work on the plane video, people watch it.
Did you go bigger engine before IFR? Or IFR before bigger engine?
I'd go IFR before bigger engine.
Just figuring out where it is on the list.
Yeah.
And after I flew home, after putting in the autopilot, Julie again asked those two questions. We did some math, we looked at the bank account and realized that we could afford to put the IFR equipment in Mike Victor Uniform. So I hit pause, ordered all of the equipment, got everything in-house. We're about to put it in. So in the next few videos, you're going to see Chris and I installing the IFR equipment. I've also been studying for the written IFR exam. I'm going to take that next week in my timeline. And as soon as Mike Victor Uniform is equipped, we'll be out flying and training for the practical IFR exam. So come on back for the next video. We're going to be in the shop. We're going to be installing some avionics.